here is MMorph by MeldaProduction. I'm morphing in between two channels here. One is a piano and one is a synthesizer that's pulsing. I've set up my sidechain to instrument 1, which is the piano, and I've muted that channel because they're both going to be playing through MMorph. So we use the ratio to control the amount of morph between the two channels. So all the way this way would be one instrument, and all the way this way would be the other instrument. Additionally, we have dry feeds, wet feeds, and various parameters to further contour what's being morphed.